Time to get stupid. Alright, what's going on, everybody? You know what I'm saying? Decided to take a little breather, so we're gonna do a little quick range day. We got, you know what I'm saying? We got the Glock, Glock 21, Gen 4, the extended mag. And, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, my boy, first time shooting the AR. We didn't catch it with the binary trigger. You get your one shot first.
Comfortable, Tony, because you look uncomfortable.
Nah, just let him go. Find your one. Shoot it once. And see how it kick. Okay.
All right. Tilt your barrel down.
There you go. Alright. Flip it back. Flip it back to the binary. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. There you go. It's gonna catch and go. Yeah. 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 There it goes. Empty, empty, empty. How you feel?
That bitch nice. That bitch is nice. That bitch is nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit, bitch! Oh!
Now that is some right there. Yeah.
You said that mag was too heavy, nigga. You said that mag was too heavy. Glock 21, Gen 4,
All right, Tony,
Kriss magazine, 30 mag.
I just had a green one now. Here you go. Here you go.
Let the shots ring out. Glock 45 with the extended. Rock that bitch. Rock that bitch. Rock that bitch.